Welcome everybody to this Dashblock demo. Today, we'll teach you how to gather data from Google searches. The Dashblock automation works by adding different blocks together. Each block performs a different action. You can find every block available on this left panel. The first block we'll use today is the Open URL block. It will send an automated browser to the desired URL. Let's type here google.com and hit apply. As you can see in the top right corner, our automated browser just reached our target website. If you click on this window, you can interact live with the browser. Now, let's say we want to input something in the search bar. To do that, we'll use the fill form block. And let's define a parameter in the action that we'll use in the fill form block. To use a parameter or a variable in a block, just click on the value field and find your parameter in the nested variables. Now that our fill form knows what to type, we need to tell it where to type. To do that, we'll click on Select Element and tag the search bar. Now, let's run those two blocks in a row by running the action block. Our product parameter will be prompted. Let's say we want to search for flight comparator websites. By clicking on the preview window, we can see our browser going live on Google and searching for a keyword parameter. Now, let's try to gather data on this page. To do that, we'll use the Collect Data block. First, let's say we want to gather the titles of every web page proposed. We'll define a variable title of type content and tag every title in the page. With just a few clicks, you can see that our machine learning model understands the elements you're looking for and automatically tags the rest of them, so you don't have to tag everything by yourself. Let's also gather the links of those web pages by defining a link variable of type link. I'm now tagging the same elements as before, but because I specified the type link, we'll gather the links instead of the content. I could also have tagged the actual links available just above each titles with a content type. If we apply this block, we can see here that the output will be automatically well-structured. Now, let's say we want to loop this block on every page available. Let's grab the paginate block in Browser Advanced. In this configuration, the paginate block will execute the collect data on every page. To function, the paginate blocks only needs the location of the next button. For the sake of this exercise, we'll limit the function on only 5 pages, but this is not mandatory. Now let's see the browser go through the first 5 pages. This accelerated process takes about 30 seconds. The last block we'll use is the Append All Rows block, available in Google Sheet. It allows you to send your output to a specified Google Sheet. I'll first choose my account and my Google Sheet. I was already logged in, but you should see a Google pop-up allowing you to connect to your Google account. As you can see, I've already prepared my Google Sheet with 2 headers, titles and links. I just have to map those columns with the outputs of the paginate block. Now let's apply the block and see our data arrive on a Google Sheet. And now, just for fun, I'll run the entire automation again on a new sheet with a new keyword. For your sake, I'll speed through this process as it takes about 30 seconds. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll make more along the way. Feel free to reach us if you have questions about Dashblock. See you soon!